Hello everybody and welcome to the obyx VTM. Today we'll be looking at creating your obyx development environment for the very first time. We're going to need a couple of things, one from the website being the obyx source code, which is available at this URL here, and we're also going to need an XML editor or text editor. For the purposes of this demonstration we'll be using XML editor because it means we'll be able to load up the obyx schema, and we'll be able to do nifty things like code validation and auto completion. So once you've got this URL copied just here, it's on the download section of the website, we open up our favourite XML editor. My favourite one of choice is Oxygen. Use Oxygen, but it is not a free program, but it's not too expensive, and it is very, very good at what it does. There is a free demo available on the website. In the options menu, there is excuse me, preferences available. Go to document type association. At the bottom here, we need to create a new document type called obyx. We're gonna load up the schema which you have not downloaded yet. So just cancel that for a moment. Minimize that. On our desktop, we're just gonna use Tortoise. SVN checkout, plug in the URL, which is already there. Okay, it downloads everything. What we're really interested in, what we've just downloaded up here, which is the grammars, specifically the obyx.xsd, which is a specification for which is the schema for the language itself. So we go along and we find our XML editor, and we options, preferences. As we did before, we're going to create a new document type association called obyx. We want to find the grammar which you just downloaded, which is on the desktop, which is in version 1, grammars, obyx. Okay, and we want to assign it to a namespace of http://www.obyx.org. Hit OK to that. Hit OK to that, hit OK to that, and with any luck, when we create a new XML document, we'll be able to put in our root element, in my case it's instruction, put XML-NS on that, www.obyx.org, close that, put in an input, close that. All the squiggly lines go away, so our code is now being validated, which is a good thing. When with any luck, it should also be auto-completed. As you can see here, we've got the 4 main flow functions. Along with comment and s, we can make sure that it is working, in fact, by going to instruction, put a space in there, and we can actually have a look at the different attributes we can put onto the instruction flow function, which is note, operation, and precision. Go to operation, we've got all these operations we can do. For the sake of this, let's just do quotient. And that's it for this. You now have a working obyx development environment. I hope that helps you.